A God Word This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Tell me something. You didn't know, say, when they say you feel repent from your sin them, what it really mean, and not just say you feel sorry for the wrong sin them where you do. But it means say you feel tap do them. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button now and drop one comment below and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. Click this subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as scanned to Matthew chapter 4 from verse 12 to verse 17. Now, when Jesus ears said in lock up John, he left go Galilee. When in there Galilee, he left from Nazareth and come live at Capernaum at the seaside, in the Zebulun and Naphtali area. That way there, where the prophet Isaiah did say would have come true. Zebulun and Naphtali. The place them where you have to pass when you go to Galilee Sea. The place them where they cross from River Jordan. The same Galilee where the people them where no Jew live. The people them where sit down in the dark. God show them one new life. And like a one bright light they see. And all who when I live, but they really I live for true. I like night done. And the sun a come up. Cause God come save you know. From that time there, Jesus start preach the message here. Turn away from uno sin and change uno ways. Cause the day soon come when heaven are going to rule over the world in every way. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.